Female friendships, the bonds that make us laugh, cry, and everything in between. Let's get real and celebrate the power of girlhood. Hello, everybody, and welcome to our podcast channel. That's not how we do it here. I'm Tara.
And I am Kiara. Today, we are super pumped to kick off our first episode diving deep into the world full of female friendships. From Scott goals to navigating through times together, we are going to have it all real here.
Okay, so Kiara, I want to ask you that
Hmm.
what does it actually take to be a good friend?
Mm, I think you really need a unconditional support and something that is no judgment. I think female friendships may you are not supposed to judge your friend no matter what she's doing, or what she is
Yeah.
feeling or what she's going through, because everything that is happening in a person's life, you just should not judge. Because I think a lot of female friendships mein jab judgment aa jata hai, then it starts to break until unless the other friend is going through the same situation, then she realizes, oh shit, actually I'm also going through the same situation. So I
Yeah.
think unconditional support and no judgments. What about you?
Yeah, I completely agree because when it's about me that when I am a friend, I don't
Hmm.
care about what they are doing.
Yeah.
I completely will go above and beyond to be with that person or to help that person in whatever way I can. मतलब कोई कुछ भी बकवास भी चीज कुछ कर रहा होगा ना, I will not
Yeah.
let them do it if something is gonna harm them. I will
Yeah.
obviously show them the reality,
Mm-hmm.
शो देम द मिरर लाइक बहन तू अगर ये करेगी तो तेरे साथ ये होगा.
Movie.
बट इवन आफ्टर
Yeah.
दैट एंड यू go ahead and do it, I will
Yeah.
still be there for you. So
Yeah.
I agree with you, like if you are being a good friend, it's just you
Hmm.
just have to be there and you
Right.
are eventually a good friend, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I agree to it 100%.
Yeah. Now this is a very Gen Z thing, right? Red
Mm-hmm.
flags, green
Mm-hmm.
flags.
Hmm.
We typically
Right.
find red flags and green flags in a boyfriend or a girlfriend.
Yeah. Or
But what
a
about
like
friends?
romantic relationship.
Yeah,
Yeah.
what about friends?
I
Like
think
you
there are. I think there
definitely.
are red flags and green flags. Yeah, because I think whenever you are with a friend, and I always believe that you should always go on how you feel when you're with someone,
Hmm.
and
Yeah.
especially when that person is left, or you've gone home back, or maybe whatever. After you
Yeah.
meet that person, how do you feel? So if you are not feeling good and you're not able to figure out why is it, it's probably
Hmm.
because you don't understand that how many actual may past friendships have also made you feel like that.
Correct.
Sometimes there's a confusion, and sometimes you are used to being used, so you don't know.
Yeah.
But there are definitely red flags and green flags. What do you think? What are the red flags? Then we'll come back
So
to the green flags.
yeah, so red flags, major red flag that I feel in a friend is
Mm-hmm.
fakeness or
Okay.
pretending to be you're there, but you're not there.
Yeah.
Like, for
Yeah.
example, you are in a situation where you need that person, like, really, you need that
Mm-hmm.
person, and that
Yeah.
person will, before this situation arises, that person will be like, अरे I'm gonna be there for you, I'm just a call away, कभी भी call कर लेना, मैं रहूंगी तेरे
Mm-hmm.
साथ में. And when that situation arises and you are like, oh, I'm in this problem, can you be there for me? Oh, I'm
Mm-hmm.
so sorry, I'm not available. That is the biggest red flag. How can you just say you're not available when you
Yeah.
said that call me in the middle of the night, I'll be there for you? That
Over
is the
promising, I think. Over promising.
over
I
promise.
hate the word promise, first of all, when it comes to relationships. I feel that if you can't promise, then just don't do it. Just be
If you
a person
can't
of
do it,
action.
then don't promise.
Yeah, matlab
Yeah,
wahi, that be a person of action rather than a person of words.
yeah,
And when there is like a situation, you need to understand that that person in front of you is going through a lot of things, mentally, emotionally, maybe physically also. And the least you can do is just be there. And when at that point of time when that person is not there, and when that point of time when you don't have anyone to even listen to you, forget about judging, because if that person is not there, then that person is definitely going to judge you even when you have time to talk about it. So I think that is completely red flag.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Fake promises, fakeness, pretending to be you're there for them, big about you
Yeah.
in front of others, and
Yeah. Oh my
about
god.
others in front of you.
Oh
Like
my
Thali
god.
Ka
And I
Behngana.
think, yeah, Thalika Bangan, and I feel that a lot of people don't understand that, like, I have also been through this situation when, especially when I came out of 10th standard, I was not able to, like, we were in 11th standard together, right? We met in 11th standard. But at that point of time, when you have a lot of friends, or from a long time, and you're trying to make new friends, you are very confused. You don't know whom where do you belong.
Yeah.
And you somewhere feel like, oh my, do I belong here, do I belong there, or something like that.
Yeah.
And in that situation, what happens, you hear a lot of things about a lot of people. You even talk, unfortunately, sometimes a lot of things about a lot of people.
Yeah.
And at that, and you feel bad, that you are either in the discussion, or you are a part of that discussion that has been, because you might really like that the person's vibe, or maybe you know
Yeah.
that person very well. But then unfortunately, you are choosing to be in a group where people are talking about bad things.
Yeah.
And it has happened, like, over the years, not just in college, or it's in school, in workplace, it happens everywhere.
Yeah.
So I think, when you know that, I feel that it's very important, like a bit of green flag in in the red flag conversation is that, when you know that you like this person's vibe, and maybe this person is real to you, or
Yeah.
you enjoy the person's company, and that person is loyal to you, any kind of friendship, boy or girl, I think
Mm.
it should just be like, you should always protect them, and protect their image when
Yeah.
somebody's talking about
Absolutely.
them. Stand out and just say that, if you can't talk a lot about it, but you can just say that, maybe change the topic, or maybe,
Yeah.
just come as a protection. Because I think when you belong to someone, they belong to you, and it should be
Yeah.
like, it should be like
Yeah.
protection has to be there in friendship. You
Yeah,
should
I mean,
stand.
you have to, if you're calling a person your friend and somebody you hear them
Hmm.
speak about your friend, you have to
Yeah.
stand up.
So that is what I said, that when people are, like, there should be no judgment, as we first talked about, that कि
Yeah,
फ्रेंडशिप में नहीं होना चाहिए जजमेंट. और जब ऐसे कॉन्वर्सेशंस होती हैं, there are a lot of judgments, okay, because people
yeah,
are judging the other person, but only you as a friend, you would be like, no, I understand from where it's coming from. So
yeah,
I think it's very important to, stand up and not reveal everything that you know about the person, but make people understand that we are humans at the end.
yeah.
That is very important.
Another red flag I feel in not just friendship, any relationship you can have with anybody is manipulating. Manipulation.
Oh my god.
There are friends who will straight on have so much power over you when you feel,
Yeah.
you know what I've observed about these manipulators, that they feel like a
Hmm.
person who is a little bit naive or controllable,
Hmm.
they'll start
Yeah.
manipulating them, and that innocent
Hmm.
person who is getting manipulated will not even realize that they're getting manipulated. They'll
Yeah.
manipulate them, they will use them to such extents
Hmm.
that at a
Hmm.
point you will never be able to understand that this is manipulation, I'm being manipulated. You'll feel that this is normal.
Yeah. No, no, I completely agree to this. And I think in the morning only I read a quote that there's a difference between being nice and kind. Because
Yeah,
when you're nice, basically you're always nice in your relationships, especially
correct.
friendships. And when there's a manipulator, that person will take so much advantage of your niceness.
Yeah.
And there's a difference between when it's nice and kind, because when you're kind, you know your boundaries, that
Yeah.
okay, this person is maybe using me, or trying to manipulate me, because you're in your like senses. But when
Mm.
you're nice, you're like, okay, maybe this my person is my best friend or friend, well wisher. They only want good for me, and you don't understand whether what are their intentions. And sometimes the person who's a manipulator, they're so used to that nature of theirs that they don't know that what harm they're doing to the other person, because they're
Correct.
just like that. They've been like that forever, and they have destroyed a lot of their friendships in their lives, and people maybe, and other people's relationship, you don't never know, but they are okay with it.
Yeah.
And you, if you're a nice person and you're being manipulated, you would be starting feeling like, अरे मेरे को अजीब क्यों लग रहा है, मुझे अच्छा क्यों नहीं लग रहा
Hmm.
है, you'll
Hmm.
not feel like meeting that person, or maybe you'll not feel like being around that person. So I think, yeah, that is like a very big red flag.
So, okay,
But
all these are some few red flags. What about greens? What about the
I
greens?
think, what do you think? Like, I want to know from you first.
See, according to me, like the thing that we,
Hmm.
discussed earlier about what is it to be a good friend, no
Hmm.
judgments, always being there for you, and
Hmm.
sometimes doing things, observe. Okay, the best green flag that I feel is a person who observes everything. A person who is
Yeah.
observing, oh, okay, my friend is liking this, my friend is not
Yeah.
liking this. So
Yeah.
I love her, or she is my friend. And so what she
Yeah.
is not liking, I'm not gonna be able,
Mhm.
I'm not gonna be doing that around her so that it doesn't make her
Mhm.
uncomfortable. A person who
Yeah.
observes things and does things for you, small gestures, small efforts, and it should always be a two-person thing. A friendship will never work if only one person is doing the efforts. Any relationship, right? Small efforts, being observant, it's very like amazing to me if a person has, for example, I might have said something, yeah, that oh my god, I wanted to do this few years back, and out of nowhere this person is taking me to that place, and I'll be like, oh my god, you remembered. Forget about remembering, you listened.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I completely agree to this. I think observation is something that should be there in, like, not just right now we're talking about female friendships, but in general it should be so much in
Yeah.
relationships that you have with people, because that just makes the other person feel important. That
Yeah.
just makes that person feel that, yes, I am thinking of you, yes,
Hmm.
you are in my head, you do have
Yeah.
some space in my head and in my life and in my heart, that I really want to get that smile on your face, or make you feel
Yes.
good and make you
Yeah.
feel special, because not everyone has that relationship with me, and I don't want to have all the same relationship with everyone,
Yeah.
because you've been so special and I want to make you feel special. And those little things are so important, those little things. It can be like anything. I'll just give you an example. Like, recently I had my birthday, so I have this friend who works with me as well.
Hmm.
So she, like, I was just constantly talking about, like, I need to write. I want to write. I'm just too much in my head these days. I want to write.
Hmm.
I want to write. So on my birthday, very randomly, like, she bought me, and I was also still telling her that I need a bag, maybe I need a change in my bag or something like that. And we were having like very random conversations about it, not necessarily something very special about it. But then on my birthday, she gave me a bag, and in that bag there was a book, and it was
Oh.
so sweet. Like, it was something. See, I am like, it's something very small. Okay, a
Yeah.
book is something very very small. I can also go and
Yeah.
buy it, but that's another thing, that I'm very lazy to go and buy a book. But she bought that book, okay, and the fact that I felt so good looking at that book, I was like, oh my god, thank god I got this book. Now I can like literally like remove all my mess of my head in
Yeah.
that, you know just like that. And it was so special, it was so nice that that small thing was there in her
A
head. So I
gesture
think,
that she remembered.
yeah, a gesture, a very, and it is very normal. Like, if I'll say to any other friend who does not understand these small things, or maybe a
Yeah.
boy, okay,
Hmm.
they'll be like, "Huh, bookie to hai, so what, like something like that. But the fact that she remembered, as you mentioned and as you
Yeah.
said very well,
Yeah.
that makes you feel special. So I think, yeah.
Yeah. I know. And like, I still have the birthday card you gave me in 11th or 12th standard.
Yeah,
It's
that
kept
makes
in
you
my
feel so
house in the cupboard.
special.
The thing is, it
I
was a freaking handwritten card. Oh my god. So,
And I want to tell you this, that you are the only friend I've written that handwritten note to. I've never
oh,
written after that to anyone. Like, I've never written to any girlfriend of mine
how
that any
sweet.
handwritten note yet. So I
I
think
still
for
have it.
me,
So that's how special it was for me too.
yeah, and I was also so happy when I was writing that. I don't know. I just felt like this is going to be there for, like, this memory is going to be there for lifetime. And it is indeed there,
Yeah,
Like,
it
we're
is.
still talking about it after 10 years.
Okay, now we've done all the normal talks. Let's get
Yeah.
dirty. Jealousy.
Okay. Jealousy. Oh, what do you think? Like, do you think that? See, I think before I ask you a question, I want to say that in general, they say that, women are jealous beings. Okay.
Yeah.
Like, they get jealous very easily. And maybe the emotion of jealousy is a lot higher than compared to men. Do you think that this is a right statement?
Actually, to be honest, what I feel is women have the tendency to be jealous about the randomest thing you'll find. But
Hmm.
men जितना
Hmm.
मैंने देखा, I'm not sure about it. I can't generalize or
Hmm.
I can't speak for everyone. But जितना I've
Hmm.
observed, a man
Hmm.
can be only jealous of another man's success in his career. Apart from
Agreed.
that,
Hmm.
nothing matters a lot, like looks and this
Hmm.
and that. Money and
Hmm.
career,
Yeah.
these two things do
Hmm.
affect men. Jitna मैंने observe
Hmm.
किया, again I'm saying I can't speak for everybody, but
Yeah, yeah.
women,
Mhm.
like
Mhm.
I've met so many women and I've noticed
Mhm.
that women are insecure, and because of their insecurity they're jealous of the
Mhm.
randomest thing. Like if
Yeah.
somebody's hair is a bit 1 inch longer than their hair, they'll be like, I mean, this is the stupidest thing, your hair can grow, you don't need to be jealous about that,
Yeah, I
right?
agree. I completely agree to this. Yeah.
The worst part is
Mhm.
when we're talking
Mhm.
about female friendships, any random woman is getting randomly jealous about someone else, it's a different thing. But when you're
Uh-huh.
calling a person your friend and you're jealous
Yeah.
of something they are having or they are doing.
Oh my God. Yeah. Right. I completely agree to this. And I also feel that jealousy comes from a very strong root of insecurity. So I always say that one of the green flags in relationships, any relationships, and if it's friendship, great, that you should be with a secured person.
Yes.
Because an insecure person can ruin any kind of relationship. And when it
Yeah.
comes to friendship, that insecure person is going to portray so much of insecurity on you.
Mm.
It can be a form of jealousy, it can be form of putting you down, or
Yeah.
whatever. Okay, many things, not just whatever, like many things.
Yeah.
But when we're talking about insecurity, that insecure person, no matter how, like, I have seen people who are so good, okay, in their life, maybe money wise, beauty wise, and maybe career wise also, but they still have this insecurity in them. And
Yeah.
when the person is, and I think there is a lot of insecurity when it comes to women compared to men, because
Yeah.
as you rightly said, that, men have this insecurity only when it comes to money and wealth and career. But
Yeah.
for women, I think we are so rooted with, looks, beauty,
Yeah.
career, and then our the way we look, it has to be in a certain way only.
Yes.
If there is somebody who is confident in front of you and maybe not considered good looking, I don't say that people are ugly or something, but if you say that,
Yeah.
it's not considered beautiful, but that person is really confident, and a person who is really beautiful, maybe considered beautiful, will be
Mm.
still jealous of the person who is, confident in that whatever they
Yeah.
are, because
Yeah.
they're insecure. So
Insecure,
I
right?
think that jealousy does exist in friendships, But it also depends whether you are having friendship with what kind of a person. Are they secure or are they insecure? Because if you are having
Yes,
friendships with insecure people, it's already a red flag.
correct.
And then there's of course going to be jealousy and other things.
Yeah, and also it's like this fact doesn't sit right with me, that how can you be jealous of your friend? If you have
Mhm.
insecurities, you have issues, you need to deal with them. But you can't
That,
be jealous of your friend. You can't be jealous,
yeah,
oh, she's having a boyfriend who looks better than my boyfriend. Then you are
that is so.
behan, you are insecure about your own relationship also, you're insecure about your friend also. I don't know what you want.
Yeah,
I mean, I have seen a lot
yeah.
of people. I mean, also
Mm-hmm.
about this thing that there's this girl on YouTube or Instagram somewhere. I had seen her video, and she was ranting
Mm-hmm.
about it. She was doing her makeup, and she was crying that she's been
Mm-hmm.
best friends with this girl from her childhood,
Mm-hmm.
and they were in college, and they were best
Mm-hmm.
friends like from like kindergarten or something like that.
Okay.
And
Uh-huh.
all of a sudden, she found out that she was also dating. She found out that her boyfriend and her
Mm-hmm.
best friend
Mm-hmm.
were talking to
Oh my
each
God.
other. They were flirting with each other and all of that. Okay. And then when
Uh-huh.
she found out, she confronted her girl who was a
Mm-hmm.
friend, and she was like, now what can I do if your boyfriend is interested in me?
Oh, that is
Bloody
so mean.
hell. If
Which
your
move
best
that is?
friend's boyfriend is interested in
Hmm.
you,
Hmm.
you you are supposed to stop that and let your friend know that your boyfriend
No,
is hitting on you.
yeah. Yeah. That
You
is
would
so
want to
right.
protect your girl, right?
Yeah, you would want to be like, I don't know how you're going to take it. I don't know how much you love this person. And I don't know whether our relationship is going to get screwed because what I'm going to tell you, but this is the reality.
Exactly.
This is what happened. This is what is good. And if it's good if you realize it soon, and if you don't realize it, then there's a big problem,
See,
because
I
this is not right.
understand
The
that some
person is
people
not.
are in relationship, it doesn't work out, they want to be with other, but
Yeah.
being sneaky with your own best friend is the worst thing you
No,
can ever
that
do.
is, and especially a relationship that is
Been
for
there
like
for
from like
ages. Like
childhood.
she's her best friend from
Yeah.
kindergarten to college. Like imagine how many years they've been together.
But you can also imagine that the person who is the victim here, the girl's boyfriend, the best friend, the girl, okay, who's facing all this, can you imagine that she, as we mentioned earlier, she was the nice person,
Yeah.
okay, who got used, and maybe she was
Yeah.
getting used over so many years by this maybe manipulator.
Yeah.
That is why she could not recognize, or she could
Recognize.
not, because see, I think gut feelings are so strong
Yeah.
that you can always catch if something is fishy. But if
Yes.
she was not able to catch something that is fishy, or maybe she found it out later, that also shows that your boundaries were so pathetic that you let your friendship also have, like, you have a friendship like this, and plus you've had a boyfriend who has the ability of doing all of these things.
Yeah.
So I think kahin na kahi, you also, when it comes to friendship, it is also a very responsible thing that you have to take with your own self,
Yeah.
that what kind of people you are being friends with. And if
Yeah.
you see or saying something wrong or negative or red or something that is not usual, I think no matter how much you love that person, you have to take a step back.
And also imagine they broke up, okay? The girl and the guy broke
Mhm.
up, and the best friend
Uh-huh.
and the boyfriend got together. They are in a relationship, and
My
this
God.
girl invited, the best friend invited this girl to her birthday,
Mm.
and she said that I want you to come to my birthday. I know things are not going right between us, but I just want to let you know that your boyfriend is going to be there. Your boyfriend, which is now my boyfriend, is going to be there, but
Oh my God.
I want to invite you to my birthday. I want to make things right with us and stuff like that. And I'm like, ek to you are
This
stealing
is
her boyfriend. Secondly, you're rubbing
uh-huh.
it in her face. I mean,
This is
जितना
too
मैंने notice किया है ना,
hmm.
guys
Mm-hmm.
don't do such stuff.
हाँ,
Stealing your अरे they'll be like,
yeah,
अरे
best.
भाई की बंदी भाभी. They'll not steal.
Yeah.
वो लड़की कुछ
Yeah.
करेगी बट लड़का
Uh,
इतना इतना मेजॉरिटी इफ यू सी नो द गर्ल्स
they
हैव
have their
डन दिस
boundaries.
या द गर्ल्स
Yeah.
हैव डन दिस
Yeah, girls have done it. That also, as I mentioned earlier, that it's a lot because maybe she was very insecure,
yeah
you know,
she
a
was
very insecure
definitely was
person. Because even when you are, for example, y'all were meant to be, okay, whatever it was,
yeah
still you don't have to call your friend and do all that drama. I think this shows that how immature that person was. Not at all, no maturity.
yeah
And also the fact that how people are, finding people in their own circles only. I mean, this is so crazy that
yeah
if you understand that you might generate a liking towards someone, which is something natural,
natural
you need to understand that okay, this is not right. There has to be a, it has to click in your head कि ये सही नहीं है, गलत और सही के
or
बीच का
at
फर्क
least communicate with your friend if you have things going
Mhm.
on and if
Yeah,
you are तुम्हारे दिल में चोर नहीं है तो
right.
communicate it
हाँ,
with your
yeah,
friend let your friend
yeah.
know listen
Mhm.
you are my best
हाँ,
friend
हाँ,
I love you to the core
yeah.
but there's something
Uh-huh.
going on and I want to be honest with you so I have
Yeah.
certain feelings for your guy and maybe you will not talk to me after this but I want to be honest with you
Mhm.
because I am a good friend.
Yeah. Yeah,
This is a
but that
very
also that is like the level of maturity you need to,
have
like,
this is
imagine the level of maturity you need to have. For example, if there are two people talking about this conversation, the maturity level for both has to be,
yeah
top notch, and that is like a
yeah
greenest flagist green
like
forest
you
relationship,
said
I think.
like you said at the very beginning where there are
Hmm.
no judgments, then
Yeah,
you can be mature and open.
yeah,
Where you
right.
feel like, okay, this person might judge me, you will not open your mouth no matter what. But still, I'm not gonna take sides of this girl who stole her best friend's boyfriend. But
Yeah, like everyone is
these are the
at
things
stake
I've
here.
seen that females do, which is
Yeah.
okay. Now, also, when we're talking about these flags, what do you
Mhm.
think is the right time to cut off a friend when you feel the slightest bit of toxic vibes coming from her?
Oh my God. It's very tough question because when you are this
Or even should
when
you
you
cut
are this
off?
person,
Or you should stay?
I think, see, if you would have spoken to me like a year or 2 years earlier, I would be like, you should stay. But now I feel like, no, you should
Hmm.
not. Because I feel like you should not tolerate anything that is not vibing with you
Hmm.
anymore. And you should not drain yourself because there are a lot of things in your life that you're going through.
Hmm.
और अगर किसी इंसान के होने या ना होने से फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है तो उनको जाने दो. So
Right.
I feel that if that person is not a provider for your food, shelter, and clothing,
Hmm.
then kahin na kahin, and your emotional support as well,
Yeah.
then I think that person has no value in your life. And
Yeah.
no matter how much harsh it might sound, this is the reality.
Yeah.
If that person is only there when they need emotional support, you are there, but when you need, they are not there, then I think that person does not consider you friend. you
Yeah.
know they don't consider you, they don't respect you, which is very very important in any relationship and friendship especially. जब रिस्पेक्ट ही नहीं है, अगर वो आपको कदर ही नहीं कर रहे आपकी, तो फिर आप क्यों उनके पीछे हो रहे हो? एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस इज that when you it's not always that like in a friendship or in any relationship, every person has a feeling towards each other. So
Yeah.
if you have like a lot of deep friendship वाली feeling with this person, or with your girlfriend, or with your so-called male friend, and that person has suddenly changed, or maybe that person is not like the way they were before, or maybe they are acting very weirdly or something like that, then I think you should confront once. You should definitely talk about it because, as you said, that it has to be a very open relationship.
Yeah.
And if that person is denying, if that person is not understanding, if that person is like okay with hurting you, then
Hmm.
I think let go them.
Yeah.
Just be like, okay, fine, and just stop answering them, or maybe responding to them. I think that is good. And maybe if that person really valued you, that person will come back and put efforts. But if that person is not putting efforts,
Yeah.
then great, go.
The irony
What do you
is
think?
when you said about the emotional
Mhm.
thing that it's like only when they need the emotional support. They will come to you running, and you are there.
Hmm.
And when something's it's
Mhm.
about you, they are not available.
Mhm.
So the
Mhm.
irony is, I just recently broke off a friendship because of the same thing,
Okay.
because I've been for this girl
Mhm.
through thick
Mhm.
and thin, and I was like, she had a lot of things going on in her life, and she had nobody. She had a few friends, but she was not as
Mhm.
close to them as I was. And I was
Okay.
midnight, she'll call me 4 a.m., I'll be there answering the phone, and I will sit and listen to her cry or whatever. I'll try to console her,
Mhm.
blah 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 blah
Mhm.
blah blah. I'll be there.
Mm.
I'll give advices. I will talk to the people who are hurting them. I'll fight for her. Everything. And then when it came
Yeah.
to me, when I needed her for a bit or for something, she was
Mhm.
least interested to even listen to my problems, let alone do something about it. So I was so, and this was not once. I'm a very, very forgiving person. I have a
Yeah,
very
I know.
forgiving I have a very forgiving heart, but I don't forget. I never
Yeah.
forget. I have a very forgiving heart.
Mhm.
So when
Mhm.
and my patience level is also somewhere up high there. So if
Mhm.
I have cut off a relationship, it you can just imagine how many chances I gave that person. It's like it didn't happen once or twice or thrice. It happened constantly for about 2 years.
Mhm.
This was happening, that
Oh my
she
God.
was doing this, and I was always there. And after a point, when I used to give her
Mhm.
advices, when I used to see her cry about a certain things, and I
Mhm.
gave the advices
Mhm.
and all, I became a bad person. Now, I had the option to immediately cut off, because I
Mhm.
sensed the toxic energy or vibe she was giving me.
Mhm.
But
Mhm.
I'm also a person that I just can't leave people when they are in नीड, और व्हेन आई फील लाइक ओके, अगर मैं चली
Yeah.
गई तो ये लोग क्या करेंगे, ये क्या करेगी मेरे
Correct.
बिना,
I know.
बट अगर मैं चली गई तो इसका क्या
Mhm.
होगा. तो
Right.
आई डिडंट लीव फॉर दोस 2 years. I still held on to this thing.
There,
But
huh?
after a point when I started being targeted just for helping her out, I felt
Mhm.
like, what the hell, dude, get lost. I don't need you. I'm not going to sit and break my
Uh-huh.
head on you when you don't have that much respect for me to understand that
Exactly.
I'm trying to help you.
Yeah.
So मेरा मैं भी ऐसे हूँ, like I hold on to people
Mm.
even if I
Yeah.
feel they're toxic. I hold on to them
Yeah.
because
Hmm.
I don't, if I feel, मैं ऐसे सोचती हूँ कि अगर
Mhm.
मैं वो
Mhm.
person होती, would
Mhm.
I want them to
Yeah.
leave me? No, I wouldn't want them
Yeah.
to leave me. So I think from every
Right.
time I think from the other person's
Every
perspective,
perspective. Yeah.
see, I don't want to be let go like that. So that's why I try to
Uh-huh.
hold on as much as I can. But I've learned that this will only take a toll on my mental and emotional health. They are not
Right.
getting affected. Only I will be getting affected from this. So
Yeah.
जैसे ही toxic vibe दिखे, maybe if your
Mhm.
heart is not that strong enough, एक chance देके देखो. But
Yeah.
otherwise, cut off.
Right. I completely agree. As you mentioned that, that the person is not respecting you and not listening to you, or maybe not understanding what you're saying. I also want to add a point which comes under red flag is that when you're talking to your person, to your friend, okay, to your
Mm,
best friend, and that person, you are like, you are so desperate to talk your emotions out to
mm,
someone, and that person does not even consider to listen to you.
yeah,
I think that is such a worst thing. I think when I have seen people like this, where somebody is like, before me, we know each other from so long, and we
yeah,
know we are high on emotions,
yeah,
okay. We are high on emotions, and we understand that when somebody is going through something, or something like what they might be feeling, or
yeah.
we literally step ourselves in their shoes. So
Mm,
I feel that when it is your chance to talk about a certain thing, and what you expect is your friend to just sorry, to listen
yeah.
to what you're talking, and that person just cuts you off. Like, for example, I'm telling you I'm feeling like this and I'm not fine, and you're just trying to open up because you trust that
Mm,
person and you don't have anybody else at that
yeah,
moment. And that person will be like, it's okay, it's a big deal. I mean, I do understand where friendships make you feel comfortable and not a big deal
yeah.
about something. But there's a difference where people are like, they'll just cut you off and they'll talk about something else. They'll be like, you know what happened that day and this, and I mean that
Oh
is
my
such a
god.
huge disrespect. Like
Yes, yes.
you just dismayed or whatever you call it,
Yeah,
dismissed my feeling, my
yeah,
emotion, my that moment where I wanted to just burst out maybe. And then such people who face such kind of friendships,
yeah,
they close even more,
yeah.
and then when you
ऐसे भी
find
हुआ होगा that it might have taken that person so much of willpower
courage.
in them to
Yeah.
open up, and then you see this kind of behavior, then you will be like, yeah, I don't want to talk only. Then exactly like you said, the person will close even more, and then
Huh.
this leads to a lot of damage in your emotional and mental health. When a person closes, and when the person feels like there's nobody to listen to me, there's nobody to understand, and sometimes all you want is not even a solution, just a person to listen to.
Right. Talking about this, I have a question
Hmm.
for you now, since there's a very trending word, I would say, called narcissistic.
Oh my god.
Okay, personality.
Hmm.
Now, a lot of people talk about narcissistic personality when it comes to love relationship, romantic relationship.
Hmm.
What do you think? Because see, it's a very big word, and it's a medical word. You can say it's like psychologists and
Hmm.
psychiatrists use this word to diagnose a person
Hmm.
or to tell about the personality of the person. So I think the way it's been used is also not very accurate.
Yeah.
But also there are certain signs of narcissistic behavior in a friendship.
Hmm.
So what do you think about it?
So this is one red flag I forgot to add: narcissism. When I was talking about manipulation, a very good
Mhm.
manipulator is the biggest narcissist you will ever find on earth. You
Right.
you will be with that person. Like I don't have, thankfully, I have a very closed circle of friends. Like I can count my
Mhm.
friends
Yeah.
in one hand,
Yeah.
and I have no, SNE, I have not met people. I don't open up
Mm.
to a lot of people easily,
Mhm.
but
Mhm.
I have not dealt with any narcissist friend. Thankfully, I've
Mhm.
been blessed. I've dealt with narcissist other people, but not a
Mhm.
friend. But come, if you
Okay.
if you think about it, like if you, even if I give an
Mhm.
example, and
Mhm.
you know, नार्सिसिज्म में बहुत सारी चीजें आ सकती है. मैनिपुलेशन,
Mm.
पिक मी
Mhm.
गर्ल,
Yeah.
and pretending like the fakeness, pretending like you're there for them, making
Mhm.
you feel like you are the problem, is the biggest narcissist person. If
Mm.
someone is telling you that the world is right and you are wrong, that person
Yeah.
is just a narcissist. Because, एंड आई डोंट, यू नो, मुझे समझ नहीं आता ये लोग ऐसे क्यों होते हैं. मे बी समथिंग हैज
Mhm.
हैपेंड एट देयर होम और
Mhm.
चाइल्डहुड और समथिंग
Yeah.
विच इज व्हाई दे आर बिहेविंग इन सच अ वे. सम
Mhm.
पीपल आर सो मच इन
Mhm.
देयर हेड दैट दे
Yeah.
डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट तुम बोल कुछ रहे हो, तुम कर कुछ रहे हो, और तुम फील कुछ और
Mhm.
कराना
Mhm.
चाहते हो. इट्स
Right.
it's it's unexplainable why they
Yeah.
behave in that way. But when
Yeah.
you are a narcissist person, and
Mhm.
the person you're being narcissist to is not able to
Mhm.
understand that you're a narcissist, it's very
Mhm.
easy for you. It's like a game. Like, how can I play
Yeah.
with this little girl's mind? How
Yeah.
can I play? I'll just dangle something in front of her and she'll just follow me like a puppy.
Right, right. I completely agree.
What do
And
you think?
I feel I feel that see, I mean, narcissistic personality के बारे में भी बहुत लोग बात कर रहे हैं, but I feel that of course we are not the right people to
Yeah.
completely talk about it, since we are not professionals. But what I, as much as I have seen and observed
Hmm.
about a narcissistic personality, is that in a friendship they find people whom they think that they're lower to them,
Yeah. Like I said, the
as
puppies.
you mentioned.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you mentioned, that they want to feel good about themselves. That's why they will find people who may feel inferior about themselves. So
Yeah.
what they do is, for example, if I am in a friendship with somebody, and I am, because maybe mostly it's always said that narcissistic people uh, attract, or like their target is always empath people, मतलब जो people जो
Yeah.
बहुत emotional होते हैं या something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So mostly the people who are empath or emotional people, they usually have this tendency to blame themselves rather than blaming the situation or other people. So
Yeah.
what happens is that if there's something gone wrong in anything, that empath will start blaming khud ko in that friendship,
Yeah.
while the narcissistic will be like, you know what, I don't think I am wrong. You know
Hmm.
what, I think I'm the
Exactly.
best. It
Hmm.
is the person's fault, it's not my fault.
They'll
So
always
I
try
think
to pin it on you.
you, and they'll never take it on themselves. They'll be
Never.
like, mere mein koi galti nahi hai,
तुम्हारे में
like I
प्रॉब्लम.
am the best. They have the I'm the best syndrome problem, or they have this issue with that, like high complexity बोलते हैं
Yeah.
ना उसको, कि they can't think low about themselves, and they call it self love, which is more bad because you don't understand what is the difference between self love and thinking so highly about yourself constantly. And I also feel that they have this, they are jealous, like we earlier spoke. They're not just jealous about their friend, but they'll be jealous of anyone.
Yeah.
So we have had these conversations so many times where
Yeah.
we are talking about a celebrity, or we are
Hmm.
talking about some random person, and we are like, I like her, we like somebody, something
Yeah.
for very natural, maybe in an
Hmm.
office environment.
Hmm.
You are with your friend, and maybe you like somebody else's personality, but your friend, if that person is a narcissistic person, that person will never like anybody else.
Yeah.
That person will be like, this person में ये problem है, उस person में वो
Yeah,
problem है.
they'll find
So what?
something or the other in everybody. A flaw
Yeah,
in
and
everybody.
everyone, and they will only put others down to keep themselves up.
Up.
So
And that's
they
so
will,
low.
anyhow, in words, actions, anyhow, they'll put you down. But actually, what they're doing is just to raise themselves up, and they're very arrogant people. You
Yeah.
know. So I think that in friendships, when sometimes people say, "I don't know how you two are friends,"
Yeah.
because they're like two opposite people
Yeah.
personality. That's when there's a high possibility, I will not say always, but there's a high possibility that you are not with the person or friends with the person where your thoughts and ideologies match.
Yeah.
So I think kahin na kahin wo ek hai. There are many pointers maybe we are missing on the narcissistic
Yeah.
friendship thing, but we
We are not
maybe we
sure.
need to do more.
Do research
you know
about it. Right.
yeah,
Yeah.
so I think that is one of the biggest red flags in a friendship, narcissistic personality.
Yeah. Now also we've talked about a lot of negatives. Now
Yeah.
there are so many girls out there, and then there are so many females out there
Mhm.
who
Mhm.
hype you up like nobody else can. They will be
Yeah.
the biggest cheerleaders of you
Yeah.
ever. Like, for example, even if you feel underconfident in your own skin, they will make you feel
Mhm.
so damn confident. They will
Right.
hype you up in such a way that that underconfidence or insecurity that you have in you,
Mhm.
they'll try to
Mhm.
like
Mhm.
just take it away. And even if you are trying to do something like you want to start a new job or you want to start a new
Yeah.
hobby, there will be these
Yeah.
girls right near your ear yelling like karo karo karo
Mhm.
karo, we'll be there for you. I mean, जितना नेगेटिव है उतने पॉजिटिव्स भी हैं. हालांकि नेगेटिव्स ज्यादा
Yeah.
होते हैं आजकल, but the
Mhm.
positives are so beautiful. Like,
Yeah.
there will be these girls who will go above and beyond for
Beyond
their best friends or their girl gang.
friends.
They will just do
Yeah.
anything they will do.
Yes.
And that is so
I completely
beautiful. Like,
understand.
that's so freaking
Yeah.
beautiful because that is rare ladkiyon mein. Even, my guy friends also, when I had guy friends
Mhm.
also na, so they
Mhm.
also used to
Mhm.
tell me कि यार तुम लोगों की जो लड़कियों की फ्रेंडशिप्स होती है ना ये टिकती नहीं है ज्यादा. हम देखो हम लोग
Yeah. Even
भाई
I've heard that. Even I've heard
हम
that.
भाई लोग कुछ भी कर लेंगे एक दूसरे के लिए जान देने रेडी होते हैं. बट
Yeah.
दैट इज ट्रू, दैट्स नथिंग रॉन्ग इन इट. वो होता है.
Mhm.
मैंने लाइक अभी मेरे स्कूल से लेके इस टाइम तक आई हैड मेनी फ्रेंड्स हु आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. फ्यू ऑफ देम आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर देयर
Mhm.
नेम्स कि क्या थे उनके
Mhm.
नाम, बट दे वर फ्रेंड्स. बट
Mm-hmm.
दे वो छूटते चले गए बिकॉज वी मे बी आई डेंट पुट दैट मच एफर्ट इन इट, मे बी दे डेंट पुट दैट मच एफर्ट इन इट. So there are few friendships that do go above and beyond and stay
Mm-hmm.
like forever and ever.
Mm-hmm.
And they, but also, if you think about this, कि
Mm-hmm.
कुछ friendships ऐसे होती हैं
Mm-hmm.
that you don't have to put so much efforts. Minimum effort के साथ भी ना,
Mm-hmm.
the friendship will continue. And
Right.
in some friendships you have to put so much efforts कि वो टिका
Yeah.
रहे. So this
Yeah.
is also one thing that just came abruptly to my mind कि there are
Yeah.
some friendships जिसमें no efforts. Like you and
Mm-hmm.
I, if we don't talk for a month
Mm-hmm.
also, अगले एक
Mm.
month बाद if we text each other, we'll be back to normal.
Yeah. Right.
We'll be
And
normal. There's no like
mm-hmm.
force कि
Awkwardness
अरे
or something.
pretentious feel होगा,
हाँ.
वही awkwardness नहीं
Hmm.
होगा, right, right.
Yeah. I feel that like friendships go through so many stages that, like, of course there are ups and
Hmm.
downs in friendship, but it also depends on how much you want that person to be there in your life, because like you
Yeah.
meet different people at different stages, and you're always going to have somebody new in your life entering, like, but there are certain people who are going to be constant. Your constant girlfriends are going to be there. Like we have this group,
Hmm.
touchwood, thank
Yeah.
god, that we are
That's
like,
good. That's
since
good.
10 years since 10 years, that we are in this WhatsApp group, and hardly we've met. Like hardly we've literally, all of us have, like, we are five of us, and hardly we have
Hmm.
come together and literally spend time or maybe gone for vacation. Nothing we've done. But whenever there is a problem,
Yeah.
whenever there is an issue, we know that we can just come up on our WhatsApp group and just, you know, say about it, just
Rant
rant
about it.
about it, just talk about it. The most
Yeah.
random thing. We are just talking about it, and then there are opinions, and then there are discussions, and there are, like, like, even if everyone is busy with their 9 to 5 or maybe their business or anything else, okay, in their life, they would still make
Mm,
time. Like I know our friends, as you also know, that they will be like, okay, like even we, like
yeah.
we'll get back to it even if we are busy with something else, and that is so
Yeah.
sweet. That is
Like
just
for example, if we are
yeah,
five friends, and
yeah,
if one of them is having a problem and ranting about it, if not all at once, but there
yeah,
will be at least one person who is there who's responding immediately about something or the other. It's
yeah.
like a
We will never
911
leave it
emergency
unaddressed.
thing.
हाँ, मतलब हमेशा कोई ना कोई होता है, even if somebody is busy, they'll be like, okay, I'll get back to it, and they will make sure that they give
I
that
love our
advice.
group.
Yeah, even I love it. I love the whole vibe about it, and we are not like, behind each other for, like, कि अरे बात, like we're not forcing to have conversations. It just
Yeah.
flows. That is the most beautiful
Natural,
part.
because like
Very
exactly
natural.
like I was saying, we
Yeah.
don't put much efforts in our relation, in our friendship
Yeah.
group. In
Yeah.
our
Yeah.
group, we are
Yeah.
not meeting constantly, we are not hanging out constantly, but
Yeah.
there's just a group and we just talk,
Yeah.
and we are not putting any effort in it,
Hmm.
but we are still the closest friends of all.
Yeah.
And also one thing, it is that this is an observation, okay,
Mm-hmm.
throughout the years. Like for example, we are friends, and
Mm-hmm.
one of our friend gets into a relationship.
Mm-hmm.
This I'm talking about from a girl's perspective. I'll also talk about from a guy's perspective. अभी for
Okay.
example दो तीन लड़कियां हैं who are friends, उसमें से एक लड़की is in a relationship,
Hmm.
and she eventually, when you are in a relationship with a guy, your time gets divided. You will
Yeah.
start spending more time with your boyfriend and
Hmm.
less with your girlfriends.
Right. I agree.
But when it comes to the girlfriends अगर उनको बुरा भी लगता है ना, they
Mm-hmm.
understand and they're okay
Yeah.
with it. और यार एक आधा बार कभी बोल देंगे कि यार we
Right.
miss you, we want to spend time with you. On the other hand, the guys will make the boy feel pathetic कि तू तो
Yeah.
जोरू का गुलाम बन गया, तू तो हमारे लिए टाइम ही नहीं है तेरे पास, ये
Yeah.
लड़की खराब है, तू निकल जा उसके साथ से, हमारे साथ घूमा कर. Why do you want to spend your time with your girl so much? हम भाई नहीं है, भाई भाई नहीं रहा. I mean, this is
They will
one thing that
literally
I've
make
noticed.
him mad. They'll make him feel so
They will
pathetic about
make
himself.
him feel pathetic.
Yeah.
Yeah, they will
Yeah.
make him feel कि यार right, जो लड़के बोलते हैं कि लड़की आने जाने से हम कुत्ता बन जाते हैं उन लड़कियों के पीछे. So the guys
Yeah.
make the guy feel like that. But on the other hand, जितना
Mhm.
मेरा personal खुद का experience रहा है, girls are
Mhm.
more understanding towards the situation. They're
Mhm.
happy for the girl
Mhm.
that
Yeah.
she's in a relationship, and if the guy is treating her well, she's happy for the girl. I mean, they're
Yeah.
happy for their girls, and
Mhm.
they're understanding. On the other hand,
Yeah.
the guy, if the guy sees कि
Yeah.
अरे one of our guys is having a girlfriend and he's happy, उनको
Hmm.
चुभने लगती है वो चीज,
I know,
and
and that
they
is so
start
bad.
irritating the guy that.
And that is such a
I mean,
lovely thing
really, like,
about girls, female friendships, right? That we
yeah,
are so understanding. We are like, okay, you want to spend, a time with your boyfriend, and like no matter how much I am feeling low, but then I'll be like, okay, you want to spend your time with your boyfriend, so I understand. But when it comes to
yeah,
boys or when it comes to men, they will humiliate, they'll embarrass that person so much, and then that person will start thinking whether I did the right thing to even have a girlfriend at the first place,
yeah,
because that person will start questioning himself, and it is like, see, when it is a female friendship, now she doesn't have a choice. She doesn't have to make a choice.
yeah.
There is no a have to. Ki I have to make a choice between my
Yeah,
friends and
you
my
don't have to
boyfriend.
choose between your friend or your
Yeah, but
boyfriend.
when it comes to male friendship, like they always put that guy in a position where they are like, अच्छा, like अच्छा भी तू उसकी सुनेगा, अच्छा भी तू उसकी तरफदारी करेगा, या
Yeah,
तो अच्छा तू अभी, because even like I know that when men meet certain kind of girls, their perspective changes. Okay, the way they think or
yeah,
maybe behave or something a little bit
yeah.
changes come, which maybe their boyfriends were telling
For
them
the good.
for the good. But now
Yeah,
he's like, shit, if I come to that, like it is so difficult for them to accept something now they've accepted. Before they used to not, just because they feel that their male friends will judge them, because they are like, Acha, now that you have a girlfriend, so you've changed. But jab hum bol rahe the, tabhi you did not change. So there are like, this is so toxic. When you can't be yourself and you can't
it's
be like, okay,
very toxic.
you
And
know?
the worst part is, ये
Mm-hmm.
same लड़के जो
Mm-hmm.
tease कर रहे होंगे अपने
Mm-hmm.
दोस्त को, once
Yeah.
they get into a relationship, they will do the same thing.
Same
They
thing.
will be with the girl. They will start spending more time with their girl. तब
This is,
इनको नहीं दिखेगा. तब
yeah.
इनको लगेगा जो वो कर रहे हैं हम सही कर रहे हैं.
This
Only
is so
when their
true.
friend is doing it's.
Yeah,
I
I
mean, if
agree.
any men are listening to this, they'll be like, हाँ इनको बड़ा पता है. बट हमने देखा है जितना हम उसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं. We are not
Right.
generalizing. All are not
And
like that. Some guys
and
go above and
imagine,
beyond for
yeah.
their best friend's girl.
Uh-huh. But imagine that, but we
They will
both
do
are agreeing to it.
everything.
That
They
means
will
it is
go for
something that
her
is common.
special.
Uh,
Yeah, it is because see देखा है मैंने भी बहुत देखा है तूने भी देखा
hmm.
होगा and
Yeah.
आसपास भी चीजें ऐसी होती हैं so it's like it's I'm not again I'm saying I'm not generalizing I'm not saying all men are like that but
Uh-huh.
जितना मैंने देखा है majority of them feel insecure or feel irritated that their guy best friend or guy friend is spending more time with the girl rather than them.
Yeah. Agreed.
But there are some people also
Hmm.
who will do a lot for their guy मतलब भाई की बंदी है उनका
Yeah.
ख्याल रखना है उनका the girl will
Hmm.
be comfortable.
Yeah, that is the
There are
sweetest
a lot
thing.
of guys who are that
Yeah.
gentlemen.
Yeah, yeah. That
Yeah,
gentleman thing
that's
is there.
chivalry and that's gentleman
Hmm.
and
Yeah. That.
maturity होनी चाहिए बस वही है.
Yeah.
Well, so that's a lot of information and discussion.
Yeah.
So now, for conclusion, I would like
Mm-hmm.
to ask you, Kiara,
Okay.
for
Mm-hmm.
few advices that you would
Mm-hmm.
like to give
Mm-hmm.
the girls out there regarding the female friendship.
Okay, Tara, that now that you're asking me an advice, I would definitely love to give my advice to all the women out there, the girls out there who are listening to our podcast, and even men who want to take some advice. So, my advice would be that first
Mm.
of all, choose wisely, choose your friendship wisely. You have the choice to make the right friend that you want to have in your life. And second is that
Yeah,
don't expect all the maturity from your friend. Sometimes you also have to understand that you have to grow up and you have to be a little more matured, and understand what they're trying to say or what they are feeling. Okay,
yeah,
maturity and be emotionally there for your friend. Just make sure that it's no
Yes.
need to be always that you're present in the physical moment, or maybe you are sending money or
Yeah.
gifts, whatever. That is not at all important, not always, but mostly I think what always remains is how emotionally you were there for a person and your best friend. And please always
Yeah.
compliment your friend, no matter what. Like, I think compliments by your best friends are the most therapeutic thing that can ever happen to people. Keep complimenting your friends, because
Yeah.
it will make their day, their week, their month, you never know. So these are the, like, basic
Yeah.
advice I would like to give. What about you?
See, the amount of life lessons I've had throughout the years,
Yeah.
I might sound a little selfish for saying
Mm-hmm.
this, but like we said, that's not how we do it here. I want to be real and brutal.
Yeah.
Choose yourself
Yeah.
first before you choose anybody else.
Mm.
What's important to you, what makes you feel better, what
Mm.
is emotionally, mentally, physically for your good, do that. And along with this, if you have a friend who is
Mm-hmm.
also understanding you, there for you, supporting you, do that for them. Do
Right.
matlab, I always have this thing of being kind. Be
Mm-hmm.
good to people, have
Yeah.
humanity in you. But
Kindness.
if you see that someone is misusing you in a way,
Mhm.
and they feel, some people have this tendency to feel
Mhm.
like, oh, सामने वाला is dumb, मैं
Yeah.
इसको जाके झूठ भी बोल दूंगी तो उसको
Hmm.
पता ही नहीं चलेगा. But
Yeah.
there are situations when you know the truth and then you know that
Mhm.
they're lying to you straight on your
Mhm.
face.
Mhm.
So when you come across certain people like that, you
Mhm.
should know to cut off.
Yeah.
Cut
Cutting
off,
off.
walk away.
Yeah.
There'll be ample amount of people. There are there's, this world is huge and there are a lot of people.
People. Yeah.
If you want a friend, you will
Yeah.
get it. But if someone's draining your energy, draining you
Mhm.
emotionally, mentally, making you weak instead of strong, walk
Yeah.
out of there. That is the only advice I want to give. Because once you walk out of a toxic place,
Mhm.
you don't have to think about who's being mature, who's manipulating me, who's this, who's that. you
Yeah.
you just always follow your gut.
Right.
Bas.
Agreed.
That's the advice I would like to give everybody, even a guy, a girl, or anybody who's listening to us.
And that's a wrap on our first episode. Always remember, real queens fix each other's crowns. Stay fierce, stay fabulous, and keep supporting your girls.
Wait, Kiara, aren't you forgetting something?
What?
Array, shouldn't we tell them about our next episode?
What do you want to tell them?
Maybe that it's gonna be something like नजर नजर में हाल दिल का पता चलता है.
Oh my god.
So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us next time as we tackle more topics close to our hearts. All you have to do is subscribe to our channel, comment about what you liked the most, share it to your friends and family, and stay tuned for all the real conversations that you can find anywhere. Because that's not how we do it here.